it reminds me of my school days when I would be very excited for the sports day, especially when it comes to trophies and medals. I would be all excited and pumped up to take all the trophies and medals home. For that, I thank Principal Sir and the school institution and the whole school staff for making me part of today's event. Thank you so much. So I started my sports journey with athletics at school. 2 years later, it was my father's decision that even I should play cricket. By the time my brother, who was already well established as a budding cricketer in Belgaum, so I started my professional cricket journey in 2019 in Hubli, and my school, Keli MR Sakre, and my academy, Hubli Cricket Academy, were the biggest source of support for both me and my brother, as we studied in the same school and practiced in the same academy. So the same year when I got into under 16 probables and missed out not playing state, and for 3 consecutive years I was only in the squad and did not debut for Karnataka. That is when I learned how not to lose hopes, and through this journey of 5 years of cricket, I have went through lots of ups and downs, and I have learned so many things from cricket. Like one was last season when I had a severe back injury, and just before the state selections, everyone thought that I'm just not going to make it to the state this time, and this season is gone. But then that is when I became my biggest supporter. That is when I learned how to back myself. And yes, I did represent state. Karnataka was also the champions, this all feels very good and very nice when we go back and see through our hard work and when we succeed into it. I have always imagined my life as a never-ending ladder where you keep climbing, and as they say, the great saying that learning never ends. Since I've started sports, I've learned how to respect time. I've learned self-management. I have learned how to get things done by myself without asking for anyone's help. I have become mentally strong and physically fit. Especially my eating habits have changed from always being a pani puri girl to eating all the healthy stuffs now. It wasn't easy for me, but I chose to come out of my comfort zone, and I opt to work hard. With sports in my mind, heart and soul, I also made sure that my grades never came down. From my personal experience, I would like to tell you all that balancing both sports and studies is not at all difficult if you do it in a right way, for which we have our teachers, our backbones. The teachers treat all their students as their own children and help us shape our lives. So I would like to say big thanks to all the teachers, and cheers to this institution. From a small bunch of 250 to a 1,000 children family now, I think this institution has come very far, and it wouldn't be possible without the efforts of all the teachers and the management. Students studying here, I think you all are very lucky to be studying here, to be part of this institution. So I would say you all to make use of whatever you're getting here. And a last piece of advice that I would like to give you all is be involved in whatever you want to do, because being involved is the key to excellence. And one more thing is, life keeps on throwing opportunities at you. So you have to grab one and make a right use of it. Thank you so much. Thank you again, sir, for having me here.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal Sir, both the chief guests and parents and my dear students. First of all, on behalf of management, on behalf of me, I would like to congratulate the coaches and the sports teacher for organizing such nice event, because it is possible only by your dedication and effort. And being a doctor, one more thing I would like to tell you: don't start your practice whenever the sports commences, because daily practices leads to good health also. Nowadays it has become a very bad habit to, particularly in the children's, that becoming busy in the mobiles and even to play the games in the mobile itself, which even leads to stress on your brain. That's why my sincere request is, try to practice regularly so that it keeps your health very good, and even you can achieve the prizes not only at school level, even at state level and national level. Of course you have achieved, but I expect still more from you. And with this, once again, I wish you a very grand success. And with this, I conclude my speech. Thank you, one and all, for giving me an opportunity to speak 2 words. Thank you.
All of you are active? Hands up, hands down. So, today's chief guest, Ms. Chinmayi and Master Manikanda, and my best friend Aparaj sir, parents of Chinmayi and Manikanda, all the staff and the students. When Chinmayi was speaking, I was giving my attention at every word. The maturity in the talks itself tells us what kind of personality you are. She told some of the things to you. All of you remember this. All the cricketers are here. We have invited them because we have started the academy so that you can get motivated by them. Never give up. What she told in her speech, never give up. Challenges will be there in the life. When we are breathing, the challenges will be the part and parcel of our life. We should never stop. We should never give up, what she told. Second thing, change your lifestyle. Very important. As she was telling to you, she is a very fond of eating pani puri. From pani puri to become a best sports player, she has to change her food habits also. So all the time I tell you people, change your lifestyle. Whether whatever work it is, whatever you are eating, in those all the situations, you try to bring the change. You will make your life very beautiful. Now today we have invited them. They are the young players in the cricket. It is a proud feeling moment for the parents also. So parents are there behind and they are watching. Their kids have been invited as a chief guest. So we have some of the students. You can reach to this level. We have a dream. Even your parents and you should be called for some of the programs as a chief guest. And your parents also should enjoy this type of moments in the life. You people create it. Next one, we have 4 houses. You have to support your house. There is no matter. But even if your opponent is winning, you go and say congratulations to your opponent. That is a true sportsmanship. Never have attitude of taking grudge if any opponent is winning. If your other team members are winning, you go and say congratulations, hug them, saying congratulations, you can do the best still. And today's date, you have to enjoy, you have to participate, whether you lose or win, that is secondary for you. But participation is must, and you enjoy the game, you have to enjoy the game. At the end moment, you are winning or losing, that is secondary. But during that time, you feel it. You pass it through your body, that matters a lot. And this meet very safely, you have to participate without injuries and all. We have to make a successful program. When you are participating, say to it, there should not be any injuries, there should not be any partialities, there should not be any blame games, there should not be any arguments on the ground. Okay, in a very safe way and very transparently, we are going to have today all the games, and every child must enjoy. And see, in front of you, the big pillars are there. Still they have dream for their life. They have the dream that they should be selected in national team. So they are also working. But for you, these two are the pillars. So you people draw the inspiration from them and decide today, we can also become something in our life. Time will pass. Time will not wait for anybody. So change your lifestyle, change your attitude. See with a hope towards your life. Nobody has come down on the earth with all the facilities, with all the skills. We have to develop the skills in us. So all of you try for it. Hands up everyone. Hands up. How many of you are proud? How many of you are feeling you are lucky to have this guest today? All of you say yes. Yes. Will you decide yourself to become something in your area? Yes. Thank you everyone. And I congratulate all the sports teachers and also art department, music department for having the best decoration. Actually, annual sports meet 2024-25 is looking very nice. That credit goes to Sangme sir and his team. Give big round of applause. Okay, thank you everyone.
प्लेयर के लिए सबसे जरूरी होते हैं 3S: स्पीड, स्टैमिना, स्ट्रेंथ। एक में भी कमी रहेगी तो प्लेयर में कमी रहेगी। क्या क्या? स्पीड, स्टैमिना, स्ट्रेंथ। शाबाश।
Prajwal Baikal represented our school at national level, champion at 400 meter and 800 meter running, an athlete who is the star of our school and a role model to us all. Now comes our all-rounder player, Ved Rag, who is excellent at cricket, football and kabaddi. He is an inspiration and a guiding light to his friends. A boy who is well known for wrestling and has won many awards in Dharwad and Belgaum. A very versatile player in the field of cricket and kabaddi. His dedication and hard work inspire us every day. Prithvi has participated in CBSE Athletes Meet. She is a gold medalist in triathlon, silver medalist in 400 meter and bronze medal in 600 meter running in Karnataka Mini Olympic Game. I request Chinmay ma'am to open the packet and declare the annual sports meet open.